I'm going to show you how to make a version of the drink called a zombie. We're going to start off with our ice. We're going to fill our glass just about halfway full, just like that. Then we're going to add in 1.5 ounces of gold rum. That's 1.5, just like so. Next, I'm going to add in about 3 teaspoons of lime juice. Give it a good squeeze there. And then I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of Jamaican rum, so just a splash. Next, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of light rum, just a splash there. And I'm going to add in about 1.5 teaspoons of sugar syrup. Alrighty. Now for our juice. We're going to need about a tablespoon of pineapple juice. There we go. Tablespoon of that. And a tablespoon of papaya juice. Like so. All right. We're going to go ahead and shake this up. Pour this into a highball glass, like so. And we're going to float 151 proof rum right on top. Just pour it right on top. We're going to garnish this with a cherry and pineapple flag. Sprinkle the top with a little bit of powdered sugar. And there you have it, one version of the zombie. Cheers.